This is the most important fingerstyle pattern you need to know here on ukulele. Now don't worry, I'm going to slow it down, show you exactly what I'm doing, but this is the PIMA pattern. What is PIMA? P for thumb, I for index, M for middle, and A for your ring finger. Now what's great about here on the ukulele is that when you play the PIMA pattern, all you have to do is each finger is going to cover one of the strings. Let me show you. So your thumb is going to be here on the 4th string, your index will be on the 3rd string, your middle will be on the 2nd, and then your ring finger will be on the 1st string. And that is it. They just stay there the whole time. And then whatever chord you do, you just pluck each string going in a downward motion. And that's it. Thumb, index, middle, and ring. Now our chords, we're going to start just with a C chord. Real simple. Let's get this down. So here we go. 1 and 2, and you can do it twice. 3 and 4, and matter of fact, that's going to be our first measure of the progression I'm going to show you. Okay, so it's just doing the pattern 2 times. So thumb, index, middle, ring. Thumb, index, middle, ring, and then we're going to go to the A minor chord. Nice easy chord as well. Do the same pattern 2 times. Thumb, index, middle, ring, or P-I-M-A, the PIMA pattern. Go to your F chord, just add your first finger, real nice and easy. Do it twice again. And then do your nice G7 chord, keep this finger down, move these fingers to the strings, but 1st and 3rd string and the pattern. Now let's put it all together without stopping. And. As you can see, even at a slow tempo, it sounds really nice, but as you get comfortable with it, and then if you want to add a nice tag at the end, C, G7, and C. And now when I'm doing that, I'm kind of doing a nice roll here. So got my fingers here, and I'm still on my C chord. I'm just going to roll the fingers. So it's like I'm doing that, but I'm kind of doing it fast. And then go to your G7, do the same thing, and then end on a C chord. All right, are you up for it? Let's do it one more time together. And. And there is a most important pattern, fingerstyle pattern you need to know here on the uke, the PIMA pattern. Now that's actually kind of close to a song that I wrote for, actually it was for a book, and which became a course, which is our beginning fingerstyle songbook, that's just one of the many fingerstyle pieces that we go over, actually that I wrote for you to really get down fingerstyle, especially if you're a beginner. You can check that out at ukelikeThePros.com. I'll put a link as well below. And then if you need an instrument, we're playing our Kala Uke Like the Pros uke, but we carry a full line of all your musical needs. That's at our online store, which is terrycartermusicstore.com.